million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me take out this sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive.
Y'all, I'm back with some human hair drip from our good friends over there at Beauty Forever. This unit that I have on is actually by them as well. So this hair right here it was giving. So I'm excited to see what is in here. Y'all know Beauty Forever is one of my most favorite human hair wig companies. Y'all know I'm a wig player, not a slayer, and they make this so easy. So let's see what's in here. Like I said, you'll see the details in that description box as well. So not only did they send the wig, which kind of looked like this, but just curly, let's see. They sent the headband, some stocking caps, a bonnet, some eyelashes, and another little leopard headband in there, the elastic kind. Okay. Let's look at this wig. So this one on my head is kinky straight. This one that I'm about to do is kinky curly, and it's 24 inches long too, y'all. So I think it's just like this wig, but curly. All right, let me see. Y'all. Bow. Okay. Y'all, it's the exact same wig, just the curly version of this one. All right. So you get a comb in the back, adjustable straps, and in the front, you get a comb to the right, a comb to the left, and all that part in space. I want to say there's a 13x6 or 13x7. It's 24 inches long too. The difference is this is just a curly texture. Y'all, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this one off, I'm gonna cut off the lace, and then I'm gonna put this one on. And then I'll come back with my final thoughts. All right, y'all, so I'm back with my final thoughts on this hair. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's hard to determine which one I like better. If I like the kinky straight better than the kinky curly, because they are both so absolutely gorgeous, y'all. All I did was put a little bit of powder there, like always, and swoop those baby hairs, and this is what we came up with. I did wet it, and I put just a little bit of mousse on it to see what it would do, and all it did was, relax it a little bit. Do I recommend this wig? Yes, but y'all, I'm telling you, that's just about every single wig I get from Beauty Forever. I absolutely love them. The ease for a beginner like me. So if you're a wig slayer, you Moana, you feeling like a tropical princess. Yes. Definitely recommend this one. If you look in that description box, you'll see a direct link to this wig as well as the details on it. So pretty, y'all. Until next time, which will be extremely soon,